The fuzzy quality function can be used for purposes beyond specifying only the closest conditions. It can also assist in identifying elements with the greatest height or width. Sometimes, this is the only available option for us to choose from a lot of text strings, like a header. Let me show you an example. Let's take into account two or more rectangles, R4 and R5. We want to capture the R4 rectangle, which can't be located via proximity to any document part. In this case, it might be beneficial to detect the rectangle with the greatest height. You can see that the R4 rectangle contains the text written in a bigger font compared to other elements on this page. So let's create a fuzzy quality function to find the string with the largest font. First of all, we need to evaluate the approximate height of the R4 rectangle. It's approximately 150 dots. All other rectangle heights are less than 100 dots. So we are creating a fuzzy quality function that will increase the hypothesis quality for rectangles whose heights are closest to 150 dots. Fuzzy quality, 150 dots minus rect.height, 0,0,0,1000 times dots. This function will explicitly pick the R4 rectangle because it is the one rectangle that is closest to our targeted height of 150 dots. This fuzzy logic approach might seem complicated initially, but it becomes more intuitive with practice. Playing with the examples we provided can speed up your learning. Mastering the utilization of fuzzy intervals for specifying the location and parameters of targeted elements can significantly improve your data search algorithms. We know that AI uses fuzzy logic to mimic human behavior. Now you have an idea how it works in one scenario, and you have the freedom to apply this knowledge to your data capture algorithms. But always remember, before specifying your own fuzzy logic in FlexiLayout language, you should first try machine learning. Trained AI models can do this work for you without the need for any coding. Let machines do their work and apply your unique human knowledge and imagination only when machines fail.